Hey folks, minor setback. Phil, we forgot to put a freeze plug. There's a hole behind this cover. So all of this, the oil pan I just finished putting on, everything has to come off. Nice. Folks, major setback. Just realized that there is a freeze plug back behind this. In all of Toyota's wisdom, this plate can't come off without the whole oil pan and oil pan stiffening plate coming off. So I gotta take the whole oil system out. It's fucked. Okay, it is 2:05. Finally got down to this little fucking thing. Now, let's see how long it takes us to get all the way back to where we were. And we are back to where we started. Oh God. New seals. Factory Toyota seal this time. Boy, what a difference. Really glad I sprung for the Toyota seals. Like, just massive thickness and quality difference. All right, let's continue. Hopefully we won't forget anything inside the engine this time. Only the best timber frames can support this hog. Almost done. Just waiting on these freeze plugs right in here, and it'll be finished. My guess is that this does not make it out of the box too often. It's about hip high, 600 foot-pounds. Ought to do it. Well, they don't call it a trash catcher for nothing. Holy shit. Looked clean, was not clean. Don't want that in your motor. All right. I think we're gonna call it a night. Looks really good. Almost done. Almost out of parts. Okay, concern point. There is no copper washer on the back of this oil drain line. I'm not sure if this is the high pressure feed. If so, hopefully it doesn't leak. All right, pretty much done. Just have to do the fuel rails. Gotta put the AC pump on, new alternator, rubber turbo tubing. Couple little things. All right, she's done. Ready to bolt up to the trans. Ready to go in the truck. Waiting to put the accessories on so they don't get damaged in transit. Everything is plumbed. Every nut, bolt, washer. It's all done.